What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Sho. It's been over 7 months since the release of the Analogue Pocket, and now its first major firmware has arrived, albeit in a beta form factor. This new firmware brings the highly anticipated library and memories features. It also brings about openFPGA, the aforementioned developer program that has been shrouded in a layer of secrecy. In this video, I'll give you a rundown of what to expect with this update concerning library and memories, as well as some changes. Link to the tools and downloads in the description below. Getting started, you'll want to obtain a micro SD card to update. While any micro SD card will work, I recommend you get one that is at least 32 gigabytes. This will allow you enough space for GB Studio and will future-proof you for subsequent updates. The card can be formatted as FAT32 or exFAT. If you'll be formatting in FAT32, I recommend you use the tool known as FAT32 Format. Format the SD card, renaming it something that you can remember. In this example, I renamed it Pocket. Head to the Update section for the Analogue Pocket. Click on Download to grab the .bin file. Place the file directly onto the root of your SD card. Place the SD card into your pocket and then power it on to start the update. Do not power off your console during this process. The console will reboot upon completion. If you are updating the dock, place the updated Pocket firmly into the dock to begin its update. Select the right action button to confirm and begin the update. Once you're finished updating your devices, place the SD card back into the PC and delete the firmware. As of version 1.1 beta, the library feature consists of a game detail screen. This will now be accessed when you select Play Cartridge. It can also be accessed within the in-game menu. Within the detail screen, the system type will be displayed along with the game's developer, publisher, and region. If you have a cartridge that is a later revision, this too will be displayed below the game's title. Support for the library includes Game Boy, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, and Game Gear. Sega Master System is also supported via the Game Gear portion of the database. Flashcards and unlicensed games are not supported. In order to see the library images on your Pocket, you'll need to have an image set. Thankfully, a developer by the name of Spiritualized 1997 dropped a full image set on Art Analog Inc. Click on the link within their post, then download the set. Extract the contents of the zip onto the root of your SD card and you're good to go. Library is undergoing continued development and will eventually become an explorable, shareable database, allowing people to reference titles by specific parameters. Along with Library, the Memories feature has been added. This feature expands upon the singular save state of the previous firmware up to 128 memory slots. Selecting memories from the main or in-game menu will pull up your new list of save states. Every time you save a state using memories, it will add the new state to your list instead of saving over the previous one. If you head into Settings, then Memories on the main menu, you can enable two new settings: Enable Quick Load and Enable Quick Menu. Enable Quick Load will allow you to load states with the button combination. Leaving it disabled will force you to access the Memories menu in order to load a state. With Quick Menu enabled, holding down that same button combination will skip you directly to Memories. On the Memories menu, the system type, game name, and date will be listed for each state. These save states will apply to any type of game that the Pocket can run, including games accessed within GB Studio. States created within GB Studio have a different naming convention and cannot be reloaded within physical media or flashcards. Memories that are created by flashcards can be used interchangeably with original hardware and will work in a pinch for saving and restoring data after a battery replacement. Save states can be created for GBA emulators, but keep in mind it will only list the name of the emulator instead of the game name. If you have multiple states of a particular game, the Quick Load feature will only recall the most recent state you've saved. If you want to change the state to load from, you'll need to go into Memories, then manually select and load the state that you prefer. Once selected, each time you hit the Quick Load, it will load from that particular state until you save a new one or select another from Memories. Files saved using Memories are saved as .sta and .sav files within the Memories/beta folder. These files can be backed up and shared with others. As development continues, Analogue has promised to expand on this feature, allowing for screenshots of each state and file sorting options to taste. For those who make use of GB Studio, the maximum number of files has been unlocked from 120 to allow for as many files as you would like. However, there is no folder system in place as of yet. Pocket users will also notice that the font size for the game names has decreased, allowing for many more game titles to be viewed on screen. The game detail option in the menu cannot be used with GB Studio games. Games that make use of the real-time clock and link cable functionality are still as of yet unsupported. If you're interested in .Pocket patches, I have a video that I released a while ago on the channel. You can find this video in the description below. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. What's your favorite Game Gear game? Do you have a game on this system that you would like to recommend? Any questions for me concerning this video? Let me know in the comments section. If you like this video, consider dropping a sub or a like. Also, why not check this video out? Peace.